Friday night. Yeah, last night. It's currently Saturday. We're driving down the night before because I ended up doing an hour drive and I didn't really want to do that in the morning. Currently just going around the edge of London. Got an hour and a half left, so yeah, pretty excited. Alex isn't riding, but I've got George and Senna with me, so it should be a pretty good vlog. Pretty excited. I've got my GoPro with me. Jolene's racing, so is Trevor. So yeah, should be quite good. But they're actually racing in the Vets, and I'm only riding in there. I think adult open, so hopefully I don't pull out in any races today. Did a bit of practice in the week at Washington Farm. The vlog will already probably be out, so yeah, it's just on the way now.
I told them no, it's from Green.
Trying to prove off. Look,
dirty
Nate's
smoker.
all healthy. Oh, you're watching the video.
On the cigars.
No, this is a cigarette.
Cigarette.
Look at him.
So fun, boy.
Right, I want an unpopular opinion. Bottle of wine is a cheap way of getting drunk.
But he just said he's too drunk for anything. Fuck.
Goon.
Right, we've been behind this track now for the last 10 minutes down 60. Oh no, it's slowing down up the hill. We've been doing about 20 miles per hour we've been doing this whole time, so about, well, would have been there about 10 minutes ago, but how long we got left? 5 minutes. Not 5. Look how slow we're going. 20 minutes. Film the speedo. Right, we've made it now to Foxhills. I don't know where it's part of. I've actually never been here. My first time being here is me racing, so
It's not looking good, bruv.
I might end up
everyone's
driving off a cliff.
Everyone's scattered everywhere.
In the camper here.
I'm so happy with
In the back, George has got a full blow-up mattress next to my bike.
I can't wait to sleep.
Hopefully it doesn't pop, but
It won't. It will fine. It will. No, don't say that. Positive energy.
no, this is a perfect bed. You've got the best bed in the house. Actually, no, I have up there.
No, I do.
It's a
I've
bed.
got headroom. Look at this. I've got headroom for a 6'3" man. I've got the best. I've got the best room.
So you got more leg room than me.
Exactly.
My
And
legs stop up
headroom.
there.
You've only got about 10 inches headroom. Oh wait, we found a first technical difficulty. We can't get the cable tied out. No, they're in this.
But what do you want about the foot pegs?
Yeah, wait. Tactical play. Oh,
No.
Just leave it. Oh wait, I'm in.
So, we actually hadn't said we were right, but as you saw from us making George's bed.
Stop.
What?
You don't need to flash on.
Yeah?
And you have said you were right.
When?
When we're driving in.
Right, so we're walking around the track and it's actually a lot darker than we thought. It's actually like pitch black. So we're going to walk a bit of the track today, but we're going to mainly do a track walk tomorrow morning. We'll wake up early. I'll show you guys around the track, but we'll try to get a rough idea what it's like. But yeah.
We can get a free drink.
That's the valley. You can't actually
Let me walk down there.
You can sort of see a bit of a hill, but right, so it's now morning. Jolene and Trevor's just got here. Just going to go put my air filter in and realise I didn't put any air filter spray on it, and I haven't got any with me, so I'm to walk around the paddock asking people if they've got any, because I've got none. That was a bit of a pity. But Jolene and Trevor, they're just walking the track at the minute. It was raining all last night, and they're watering it now, so I hope it's not too slippery, but oh well. We'll see what it's like. Right, so I didn't actually realise it was 9 o'clock qualify. So it's only been 10 minutes since I last filmed, but I would have had to rush. I've had to get some air filter spray. So yeah, I had to rush it and hopefully I'll be there on time. So yeah, let's head off to qualify. I've just got back in after practice. I don't even know, it's qualifying. I had 3 laps. But Yeah, I've never actually rode it, but I actually loved it. It was quite fun. I had a lot of fun out there.
You didn't know where you were going, were you?
No, I still don't know where I'm going. So first lap of the race, I'm going to have no clue what I'm doing. Don't know where I'm going. It's going to be roosted to hell. George is cooking us some breakfast. What's that beeping? Oh, battery. Jenny's not on.
Jenny's not on.
Oh, boys.
I'm going to have to turn Jenny on. But yeah,
Go get Pully.
just done some goggle prep for the next race. Then Jolene's out next, so.
And
Yeah,
Trevor.
and Trevor. Got a race mechanic. No, not race. Got a race mechanic who's staying up. Race cook who's George.
Ready? Let's just do an egg review.
Who and Pop?
Oh, there you go, though. Nice.
It's like a spot.
Oh. All I need is accommodation, and that is with the motorbike. That's all I need in my life. That's all I need.
I like Foxhills.
Right.
We love Foxhills.
Yeah!
Do them bars look straight?
What's happened?
Broke finger.
Broke his finger.
Broke finger. Ripped trousers, knee, ribs,
He pulled though.
ribs, shoulder, head.
Where did you qualify?
Where did I qualify?
First.
Out of 2. Right, just about to head out now for my first race.
Oh my
Pretty
god, I'm there.
excited.
Number 31. I'm there. I've been riding good today.
But yeah, pretty excited. Jolene's still busted up. I'm gonna have to wear. Now the sun comes out.
I'm telling you, take that jumper off, because then that's just going to get wet.
Hate this. No, it's raining again.
So, we're not really sure what's going on, but Louis qualified 9th, but he was 3rd to pick his gate, so we think he might be pegged, and he's got 3rd, so he's got a decent gate pick. Hopefully he gets the whole shot, which I very much doubt he will. What do you think?
No, positivity.
That is positive, he's going to do
It is
well.
a
but
night,
he-
it's
no,
stopped raining.
positive.
Positive, it stopped raining.
Yeah, but the positive is that he's going to do well, but the negative is that he's not going to make the start because he
No,
never does.
no. I'll put a prediction on this. Top 6 is coming.
Do you want a bit of tenner on that?
Get your hand out. This hand. Tenner on it.
So he's going to be top 10 round this corner?
Yes.
Right.
Top 10.
If he's not, then what?
£10.
Shaking it? I want my £10.
I said 10th from the back.
No.
Miscommunication. Deals on.
Right, so maybe like halfway through the race or whatever, I got a fucking puncture.
Whoa, language.
Got a puncture while going round, so.
Yeah, and I'm now having to do the worst job and carry it.
Shocker not carrying it back.
You're all complete.
So I'm currently halfway through editing this vlog, and I forgot to say, the next race is actually Jolene's race. We didn't actually film any of it, but he heads out for his race, gets a bad start, and the rest is history, so yeah.
Babe, did you want to move my truck out the back?
Okay, stand by. Stop. Stand by. 137.94.
13794.
We're looking at stagnants there. So they're like jerky eye movement. Sorry if I'm taking
Right then, my mate. Where was that to?
Okay, it's the bottom. Alright. Alright, okay, stop. Just rest. Okay.
Right, so that went from good to bad. I got a puncher. I didn't actually film any of Jolene's race, but he went out and got a terrible start. Trevor was laying third, and all of a sudden got red flagged.
Yeah, Julian knocked himself out.
Completely knocked out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go in the ambulance with him. I tried to film some clips, but he was really bad. We didn't know what was wrong. He was knocked out for about 3-4 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it looks like there's no damage on the bike. The way he's gone up one of the step up, he's just hit the bank.
Hit the bank and landed on his head.
So
And now I'm gonna go out for my race.
yeah,
I'm gonna get on it.
but I'm gonna go in the ambulance, John, and I'll try maybe get some clips or whatever. But I don't think I'll try to bother with that. As long just see if he's alright.
The rest of the race.
Yeah, but that's my racing over today. I did half a race for a 4-hour journey. So did Jolien, but yeah. Right, just following the ambulance now. Oh dear, Julian. Oh dear, Julian. So at the minute, I'm just trying to find where to park because the ambulance have sent me here, but don't know where I need to park. Right, we've made it to the hospital. But I'm parked. Oh god, I'm making a right mess of everything. But just gonna go find where he is. Right, we've come. We're just waiting for him to be taken out of the ambulance. Jordy, what's happened?
I don't know. What happened?
Do you want me to take your boots off?
No. Keep them on for the vets. My finger. Bust my finger, look.
Oh, busted finger, busted
Back,
head,
ribs,
back.
head, foot.
Willie,
No, that's fine.
you peaked. Pulled in
Oh.
qualifying.
Oh, then peg 40.
Guess what though? Got a fast lap time than you.
Did do that? Oh, well, yeah, maybe.
Get back, it's killing me.
You're back.
Back. So on the basis of
How are you feeling now?
Bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Finger looks like the worst.
It's nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. The back, bad.
Oh dear. Oh god, his heart rate.
The next day, the motherfucker was dead.
Been here now. Been here for about 5 hours. Still no progress. But I'm having to head back to the track in a bit, go see George and that when when Victoria gets here. So yeah, might be coming back, might I, Jolien? He said I should just drive back home as it's about 3 hours away. He's knackered.
Knackered.
Mate, he's done for. Mate, he's done for.
Tired.
Hurt and tired. Right, Jolene just had a look at the back.
Look, right up the angle.
Red raw.
Right at the bum hole.
They said you've got very high pain threshold, didn't they?
Yeah, very high. Very high. The highest she's ever known, maybe.
It's just an athlete, aren't you?
It was.
I don't know why I haven't filmed it in the cinematic mode before, but it looks alright. Just on the way back now. Victoria's just got there. So just walking back to the car, well the van, meet George, he's going to drive off, then I think me and Senna we'll come back to the hospital to double check on him, see how he's doing. Then we'll set back off back home. So yeah. Right, made it back now. Met up with Senna. George has just gone off with Trevor. I mean, Senna just looking at the mental scenes he threw down today. Obviously, he was trying to scrub the side of the
So
wall.
he's gone up here, hit someone, gone off there, went up the banking up here, and then lost his momentum and fallen. And the paramedic said he landed like here, just on the top of his head.
Head foot like right on the top.
We'll take some videos of the helmet and show you inside the helmet. That can never be worn again, can it?
No.
Definitely not.
That's what he's all gutted about.
But yeah, look how steep these hills are. It's mental.
So dusty. Needed more water down. We made it back to the hospital again. We parked up. But yeah, going to see how he is. I think he's just going in for a scan, so just going to go see Victoria. So yeah, hopefully he's all alright. But yeah, let's go in.
There's the bus. Parked up. Be alright, no one's going to climb in.
Back in the hospital, we're a bit lost again.
We can't find him. He's gone missing.
Old boy's nipped up.
The old boy's nipped up.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Oh mate, you're just moto crazy.
You really shouldn't move.
Feeling better?
Yeah. Right.
Amazing. Oh no. What did he do? He made a mistake.
What's up, it's me and Fraz. We're about 41 minutes away now. Not too far away. Just so drunk at the minute while driving, it's ridiculous. Me and Sam, we've just been drinking the Stella to keep us awake. Yeah, we're just on a mental one tonight, but...
Any updates on Julian?
Oh yeah! Forgot about that. Update on Julian. He's broken his back. But it's not really bad.
The back snipped up on him.
They've sent him home because apparently they've said there's not much they can do, they just have to let it heal. We wasn't just on the phone to him, but he said it hurts a bit, but he's still out of his head on all the morphine he's on. He's still concussed, but they said you just have to wait for it. So he said he couldn't actually walk out of the hospital, so he had to be wheelchaired out by Victoria, and he doesn't know how he got out really. He said he's in lots of pain now, so it's wearing off a bit, but yeah.
Be back at work Tuesday.
Yeah, should be back at work, helping me clean the car.
Washburn Wednesday.
Yeah, be back.
Milton all Thursday.
Cullum Sunday. I don't want to do Cullum Sunday, but my dad's got the fry. He's scared now to let us ride. Silky out in front. He's on a madness in Cambridge.
Like, that's what Julian was like, Evil Knievel.
Yeah, the paramedic said he looked like Evil Knievel when he flipped in the air. Apparently he just somersaulted off the bank. But he said he's got doesn't remember anything. But that's Jolene for you anyway. Even if he didn't, he said he still wouldn't remember.
Not sure how we made it home, are we?
No. Jesus. But I made it home. Long old drive.
The old girl brought us home in glory.
The old school bus made us home.
Oh, just stalled it.
But yeah, tomorrow, I'll pick up the vlog tomorrow. We'll end it here for tonight. But we'll pick the vlog up tomorrow and we'll go speak to Jolien. And yeah, but if you're still watching, thank you for still watching. Been quite a stressful day. Seeing the old man bust himself. The old boy nipped up. Yeah, we'll speak to him tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night.
I reckon he's going to be sore.
He will be whinging. Oh, my back.
You don't feel me?
Yeah.
No, I've just...
It's now about a week on. Jolin's just woken up. And he's sore. Still can't really walk. He's only just come downstairs, still dazed. And his back's worse. Oh my god. Right, let me get it from an angle. So I'll pick the lump. How do you feel?
Great.
Rough?
Yeah.
Remember anything?
No. Back into retirement.
Now the end of the vlog. Did you have fun at Foxhills, Jolien?
Yeah. Brilliant. Looking forward to it. 2 weeks.
He thinks he's racing the Vets with that thing on his back.
Stop filming me naked.
But yeah.
Can't sleep off kick.
So it's the end of the vlog. James is now racing the Foxhills Vets. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed today's video. We'll hopefully get another one out next week, see what we're up to. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.